Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are presenting our paper with the title The Increase of Student Critical Thinking Ability on Optical Instrument Topic through PPL STEM with Virtual Simulation Media. We are from Fisik Department Universitas Negeri Malang. Background: the difficulties experienced on optical instrument by students affect the critical thinking abilities. However, in physics, students still have lack of level of critical thinking. Previous research shown that the topic of optical instrument hasn't been enough discussed enough on research about critical thinking and the problems we are chosen as the subject to study in learning are deemed to be lacking in depth and context. This issue is very relatable with the scope of STEM. STEM approach make it necessary for students to think critically in solving problems, think logically, find new things to learn, be an independent learners and literature enthusiast. The search for solution for problem on our daily life is the characteristic of problem solving, problem-based learning (PBL). PBL is integrated with STEM through the implementation of engineering aspect. The topic of optical instrument is considered as an abstract concept and difficult by students. This can be have with virtual simulation media. PBL STEM with VSM is suitable for increasing critical thinking ability. Methods: quasi-experiment with the pre and post thesis site, experiment class, conversion class, and control class. PBL is made of 5 syntax, while CTA has 5 indicators. The STEM approach has a dominant aspect, which is engineering. It contains 7 steps. Experiment class produce 2 products, which are digital microscope and simple telescope. Comparison class implement PBL model and only reach the step of product design. Lastly, conventional class only learns with usual way of learning every day. The instrument of the research is critical thinking ability test with the alpha Kronbach reliability of 0.739. The collected data is analyzed using Kruskal-Wallis test, ANCOVA, and post-hoc Tukey test, and gain and effect size. Result and discussion. ANCOVA test shows that the student post-test wasn't affected by the covariant variable pretest score, but affected by the different treatment of learning model. Post-hoc test shown that there is significant difference on all the class pairing. Students on PBL STEM with 5SM class have better CTA than PBL class and conventional class. The aspect of STEM in PBL have students to be more active in applying the knowledge they have to solve the problem of daily life. The process of the design of the engineering product of STEM require teamwork and good communication between students. PSM plays a part in increasing students' GTI. Virtual simulation media in PBL can increase student conceptual understanding because the computer simulation can make abstract subject to appear more concrete. This research support the finding a few previous research which state that optical instrument learning with the help of multimedia can have increased student CTA. PBL learning with of physics can be affected to increase mathematical thinking skill, and flash technology and CTL model can be effective in increasing CTA. The process of learning in PBL class is different with the process in the conventional class. The problems discussed in the conventional class tend to be more simple in complexity. On the other hand, the problem discussed in PPL class need to have a relation or continuation with the concept or basic principle which had already been acquired by students on their previous studies. According to a research, students in conventional class tend to only use quantitative mathematical procedure and solving the problem, which students in PPL class tend to complex activity. Conclusion: informing student CTL wasn't effective to the state of student initial scale, but it was only affected by the different treatments of learning model on each class. After the state of initial scale is controlled, the PPL stem with PSM class, PPL class, and conventional class gain reflexively the average score of 83.545, 65, 66.141, and 58.226, which shows the order from highest to lowest. This result is simplified by the result of the post-hoc Tukey test, which shows that the student of PPL STEM with PSM class are better than PPL and conventional class, and the student of PPL class are better than conventional class. Thank you.